YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today, we're going to talk about some XR Pizzle, my nizzle, and we're going to talk about some cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin, guys. We're talking about it all. But before we get into it, I got to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. And we just talking about cryptocurrency as always, guys. So let's get into it. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at $2.86 trillion. Fear Grade Index coming in at a 33. Bitcoin coming in at an 87.27. We're wondering, did we break down off that 87.5? That's a very key level of resistance. We do not want to break down off of this. You guys can see it's looking like we possibly could have been creating a wedge here. And we talk about the fact that sometimes we see some sell-off going into the weekend, and we do not want to see the price breaking down on a Thursday. This could be an indicator that, again, we need to see a retest of some of these lower ranges. And this is what I was saying in my last video, was that we might need to see a retest of some of these lower ranges. And it's really going to depend on, again, if Bitcoin can pick up in volume or not. But this does not look good. This type of chart is not really what you want to see Bitcoin doing, creating this nasty wedge here. Again, this could be an indicator that we need to see some more sell-off, or, you know, maybe on the 1 month we've created some kind of a wedge here and we could pump off of this. You know, it's really, I wouldn't say it's too early to say. I would honestly say that it's not looking good right now. I would say that the market looks like it's more than likely going to see more of a correction. But again, things are not for sure. Nobody can predict the future. Nobody knows. Again, maybe we have some kind of double bottom here. It's a possibility. I'd be paying attention more to if we want to create some kind of shoulder, head, shoulder here. This could play out over the next couple of weeks, and then we could see some downside, possibly all the way down again to that 68 to 70K range. And I think if that was to happen, a lot of coins would get hit pretty hard. But I do think that the market would make a really big comeback, and I feel like things would be looking solid again. Let's talk about things that are looking solid right now, because in my opinion, XRP is looking pretty solid. Still up almost a whole percent today. Not doing too bad. Even on the past 7 days, only down 3%. And in this month, we are down like 0.13%. XRP is performing pretty decent, in my opinion. You know, we do not want to break down here. We are starting to lack in volume with the rest of the market, which is totally normal, totally to be expected. But at the same time, on the month, still holding some higher lows, which is positive for all the XRP holders. This is what you want to see. Not so much on the 7 day, though. You guys can see right here. It's looking like a nasty bear flag could be playing out. And that is something that you do want to pay attention to. Also, this shoulder, head, shoulder playing out on the 1 day. We have to be careful that we don't break down below this neckline at this 230 mark, or else we could see some more sell-off, right? If we break down below this, it might sell all the way down even to that $2 range. And I told you guys, we do not want to see a retest of that $2 range. That could be bad, because if we do not want to hold that support, then we can see a much cheaper price. I mean, it's good if you're long on the project like me. If you're looking for the cheapest price possible, if you're trying to buy the dip on this stuff, then it's awesome. But if you're somebody that is maybe over leveraged in the stuff or something like that, then maybe you might be a little bit concerned if we do break below that $2 range, because again, we might see some more sell off. And that sell off, guys, I would honestly predict would take a couple of weeks to a couple of months, probably more likely a couple of months. I've already gave a prediction maybe earlier this month that this was probably going to take maybe like 4 to 5 months. That's kind of what I think. I think June, July, even August, mid-July, August time, we might see start seeing this recovery and start seeing these coins really start to pump a lot, start seeing some confidence back in the market. But right now, I just feel like Bitcoin being in this downtrend, we're still not looking good on the Fear Greed Index, slipping back and forth every single day. It seems like just a lot of volatility around this range. Yeah, we did jump up above that 86 range, and that's positive. We do have now hopefully some support at 86 on Bitcoin, but at the same time, we really needed to get that close above 89. It's been really tough. We haven't been seeing a ton of volume coming out of retail since that Bybit hack. And I feel like that's pretty crazy, but I want to know what you guys think. Are you bullish on XRP in 2025? Are you accumulating this time? Did you sell your bags? Did you paper hands it, guys? Let me know in the comment section also. And yeah, every single comment, every single like does help out in the algorithm. So again, hit that like, hit that comment section. And if you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'm talking about XRP and these coins every single day, so you don't want to miss it. I'll catch you next one. Peace.